my name is Janice the Roach, and I wanted to bring you a second alternate card. And I used basically the stamp set with the snowflake and the little cardinals and the background. I used the Night of Navy and the Silver Delicata ink. And here I used Poppy Parade for the cardinal and the ribbon. I used a 2 1/4 inch circle here and a 2-inch circle for the white, and some silver pearls, metallic silver pearls. The blue in the background is the Noble Peacock. Let me bring over my stuff that you're going to need. Alright, hold on. Alright, so you will need a piece of the Noble Peacock in the blue, measuring 4 by 5 1/4. Your base card is your normal 8 1/2 by 5 1/2. So your 8 1/2 by 5 1/2 scored at 4 1/4. Your foil, 4 inches by 5 1/4. The top part is 3 3/4 by 5. I made smaller circles. So this is a 1 3/4 inch circle, and the white is 1 1/2 inch. Right, so that is that. Now, what I did, instead of doing this, I have cut my stamp in half. So here I have the winter, and that is wishes. So I can stamp it on a smaller piece. So I have that on both there. So I used Poppy Parade and Night of Navy. Right, so let's get started making our card, right? So I stamped the background in the Silver Metallica, and I've got that here. Okay, oh, I also was going to maybe do this one different. This I did with the Poppy Parade ribbon. I thought maybe I'd try this. It's old, it's not current, but this one is, if you wanted to use the Poppy Parade. Or I'm going to try this Night of Navy one on it. See what that looks. And then a bow. So I'll put that aside right now. Maybe I'll change my mind. Might just do the red. Right. So we are going to stamp up in the silver and stamp all over this Whisper White cardstock. It doesn't matter if you go over it. It's just dots. Right. So that is that. Right. And then I took the Night of Navy and the snowflake. So I can put that aside. I'll clean that in a sec. So you can either do it full strand, or you can stamp off and make it lighter. But I liked it in the dark. So we're just going to stamp a few snowflakes on here. Put one up here. And maybe one a bit here. I think we're good. Right, that'll be good. Now, I can leave that out. And for my winter wishes, I used the small white, so we want the winter. Stamp that on there. And winter. And then the wishes on the other side. And do wishes right there. So there's our winter wishes. I'm going to put that on here. I'm going to use snail. If I can find it. Where'd my snail go? There you are. Sorry. Put our winter wishes here. Oops, I got blue on that. Ding, ding, ding. Right, maybe stick a little cardinal on that. How about that? Yeah. Close that up for now. we'll take our red, and I think I'll just put this little cardinal right here, like so, just a part of him. And then we're going to stamp some little cardinals all over here too. It doesn't matter where. I'm sort of going to put the ribbon in the middle, so maybe not so much in the middle. Right? Stick another one down here somewhere. There. We're good. Right, let's take that, close it right now. And this I put on dimensionals, so we can just, you can use small ones from your kit, or you can use your own if you have others. I'm just going to stick 2 on this. Right. But I forgot I need this first. Do I want to do that or do I want to do that? I think I'm going to do the blue for a change, and then I'll let you compare them. Oh, that's a big piece of ribbon, isn't it? That's smaller. Let's do that one. All right. We'll stick a little bit of tape here and here. And put this across the middle. Doesn't have to be the middle. It can be on a diagonal. It can be down closer to the bottom. Wherever you want. Yeah. Right. I think that'd be good. Now let me tie a bow with this big piece here. I use my handy dandy bow maker. Tuck. Oops. Sorry. That there. No, I bent it. Hold on. Make sure your ribbon is straight. There. I love this gingham ribbon. And I still haven't used, this was an extra one I bought and I haven't used it up yet. Because normally I use all my current stuff, but I can send this to my cards for a cause, so I can do old stock. It's not going to matter a lot. So now I need to cut it with my ribbon scissors that, of course, I can't find. Ribbon scissors not popping out in front of me. Let's try it with this. Nope. My goodness. Where did I put them? I just cut the ribbon. There they are. Oh, see, I have a ribbon on it. Dang. Okay. Let's do this again. All right, I'm going to cut that and untwist you, and there. You're good. Okay. So now here we can use a couple of glue dots. And what I'm actually going to use is a bigger one. So I'll just stick it, it's on my thumb. I'm going to stick it right there on my, if I can get it off my thumb now. There. Stick my ribbon on there. Awesome. I think that'll work. I think that's pretty. Oh, I got the back off, I do. So, and then we'll put our winter wishes here. Here we go. Let's stick, and I'll use tape if I have it the right way. You can use your adhesive of choice. You can use liquid glue if you like, Tombow. I normally do use Tombow because it gives you a chance to move your stuff if you haven't got it straight. Whereas when you've got tape, you get one shot at it, and if it's crooked, it's on there crooked like this. My goodness. And I've got that upside down. Right. I sure do. I'm doing really well. Take my bow. Flip it the right way. Oh gosh. See, it still comes out. I have to straighten that up. But and then you put it onto your card. And we'll use this one. Right, we'll put it onto your card. No, can't. It's too big. I need to trim that down. Alright, trimmer. Might not see too much of my blue. I shouldn't have wasted all that. Oh, good night. I could have cut my circle out of it, right? Just get a little bit of an edge. Maybe there. Alright, that'll work. Get my bow up out the way so I don't chop it. See if I can get this. I'm moving my paper below. Oh, there. That's a little better. Right, I could have took a bit more off, but I'm wasting enough time. Right, so now we'll put that on there. And you know what? I'm going to use my glue. I usually always use my liquid glue because you can move. You have a few seconds to move it. So, got too much there. There. And we'll stick you on here. Right. If you have it even, and even, the other side should be good. There we go. And if it's not, you have a few seconds to move it. So, yes, I love my liquid glue. I actually like that. Oh, I've got it stuck there. Good night. Right, so here is the Poppy Parade. I don't have that on a card. I'd have to cut it down some because it was too big. Yes, I like that. I like it with the gingham ribbon. Okay, there's our second alternate. The other ones I just did a video on, and it was the deer and the rabbit. And this is another rabbit. And then there's the original card that comes with the kit. Of course, that I don't have handy at this moment. So, yeah, but this is another video I did, and so this is this one. Hope you enjoy it. It's a little different, and you get to use the stamps and stamp set. So, and to cut your stamp, it's real easy. You just cut between the winter and the wishes. Just cut it in between there, and it's fine. You can stick it back together if you want to do it in one line. It's no big deal. Right, thanks for watching. You have a great evening. Bye-bye.